The main man. Any words for the camera? For your first little meet in a long time?
That's a nice camera.
This is real. This is live.
Oh, man. It's live? No, don't do that, dude. You don't want to get my
You want to thank everybody for coming by?
Thanks, everyone, for coming by. We're going to do another one next month.
All right, where at?
We think it's Chevo's Shallow Works.
Okay.
Come get your alignments there. Great people.
All right, cool. Good turnout today.